Hello and welcome to my Singapore-style home cooking channel. Today, I'm excited to share a quick and easy recipe for crispy fried onions. These golden bites add a delightful crunch and rich flavor to any dish. They're simple to prepare and bring a mouth-watering aroma that complements a wide variety of meals. Let's jump right in. These are the ingredients: 10 small red onions. Slice the onion nice and thin. This will help the onion to crisp up when cooked. We are using a ratio of 1 tablespoon corn flour to 1/2 tablespoon of rice flour. 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1/2 tablespoon rice flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Gently spread the onions on a plate using fork and spoon. Mix the corn flour and rice flour into a bowl. Stir the flour. Sprinkle salt over the onions. Start by adding half of the flour mixture to the onions. Mix thoroughly so that every slice is covered. Since the onions release moisture, add the remaining flour. Mix and keep stirring. Just don't overdo it. Too much flour can dull the flavor. This is the texture you are aiming for after mixing in the flour. Pour oil into the pan and gently heat it over low heat. Feel free to add a little extra oil. The infused onion oil makes a great flavor booster in other recipes. Turn the heat up just before adding the onions. Test the oil with a small piece. If it sizzles immediately, it means it is hot enough. Fry for 1 minute on high heat, then drop it back to low heat to prevent scorching. Your kitchen is probably smelling incredible right now. Once the onions reach a light brown color, take them out immediately. They will continue to cook off the heat. If you wait too long, they will darken and taste bitter. Use a kitchen towel to drain the oil from the onions. Spread them out evenly so they cool down fast and crisp up beautifully. These can be kept into a container for a month. The fragrant onion oil is great for cooking or seasoning. Thank you for watching. If you're hungry for more, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep cooking together.